So consider here two spheres. Here center of gravity joining line we call line of collision. Then along this line it has velocity uv. Then this collision we call direct collision, u greater than v. Here before collision. Then at the collision it has impulse, like reaction it has impulse I at the collision. Then after the collision, say velocity is v1, v2. After the collision. Then here after collision, v2 greater than v1. Therefore, direction of relative velocity change after the collision. Okay, after the collision. That is we call collision. This is direct collision. Then velocity is along the line joining of the centers. That's why we say it is simple direct collisions. Okay. Then to analyze this, use conservation of momentum for certain direction. Here take m1, m2, then m1u, m2v, m1v1, m2v2. Then thereafter new theorem we call Newton's law of restitution. Newton's law of restitution. This Newton's law we usually apply along line of collision. That is we call relative velocity after collision equal E times relative velocity before collision. Relative velocity before collision. E we call coefficient of restitution. Usually E in between 0 to 1. E equal 1 perfect elastic. E equal 0 perfectly inelastic collision. This is called simple collision. Using those two relations, you can analyze full collision.